Alright guys, so today some really exciting news. It is the launch of the new Rhinoman Expedition and Extreme canopies. And what we have here today is the Expedition version out. And this is a canopy very similar to our previous Alu-Cab canopies, which you guys have seen. We crushed over 8 tons. So not just have they taken the same core strength and values and principles involved, but it was a case of now making it a little bit neater, a bit smarter, and I must say it came out looking absolutely fantastic. So this is based on a D-Max today, but we have got a wide range of canopies. So not only do we supply these for the 2013 and above Isuzu D-Maxes, but also for the current 2022 model Isuzu D-Maxes. We also have the Toyota Hilux Revo. So that's from 2015 onwards, basically from when you found the 2.8 litre engine introduced into the Toyota Hilux. Mazdas are included in that, as well as the Ford PX1, 2 and 3s, and basically any new generation Fords will be coming out in these as well. Your Nissan Navaras are available in your latest format of the Nissan, that's the facelift, that's 2020, late 2020 onwards. And of course the VW Amarok, as they come out really nice, and it's a nice wide canopy sitting on that vehicle, slightly wider chassis. Now, moving on to the actual core construction of these are manufactured with a 2.5mm construction grade aluminium. They are extremely durable. Not just that, it's not a bolt together frame, so they are fully welded, giving us that additional strength as well as additional gussets all throughout the internal frame. All these folds and ribbings give it its strength, and not just that, but it's super functional. These are available in a variety of powder coating options. This is the plain black option, which basically suits everything on the market. We've got great white and black variants, plain white variants, different color options that literally come with these vehicles as well as painted options if you want to color match your vehicle. Now let's have a look at some of the features on it. Locks, really nice slimline integrated locks, little push button catches, and these are keyed alike, so all 6 locks on the vehicle will be keyed with the same key, so no dramas in there. Gas strut assisted, not just that, but you'll notice that there's a full lip which is going to stop water ingress from getting into the side doors, which has got this automotive grade seal as well as in a second seal on the top end. Now as far as the hinges go, that's where the really special part comes in. These hinges are quick release hinges, and you're able to switch out your side doors for a glass version as well. Now a standard canopy in what we call a extreme format has got the standard rear glass as well as the 2 side doors with glass and integrated sliding windows. However, this specific Expedition version is perfect for additional safety and security on the sides with a solid alloy side door for the guys who are going to go rough off the tracks as well, and giving that extra bit of protection on the side. Now guys, as you can notice, it's a huge opening, and that is perfect for loading everything in. So you don't just have to load from the rear of these, it is allowing access right through the front and to the side. So as far as groceries go, kids' school bags, fuel and jerry cans, you name it, you can have side access there. So even for a tradesperson, heap of easy access space. Now the front window in this is a solid window that has been, and an actual sliding window has been added into place. On some vehicles where you have got the cab slider, you'll be able to get right through or stick a long piece of timber right through the whole lot into the front of the vehicle. Also perfect to let fresh air in for the dogs. But on the vehicles which come with the solid cabs at the back, you can simply slide that open for more airflow for the animals, as well as cleaning, so you can get your hand and then actually clean up the windows between. Positive air pressure vent prevents a lot of your dust ingress, which is fantastic. So that's going to come in and pressurize that cabin, and it's a tried and tested method to have a lot less dust coming into your vehicle. It is absolutely incredibly how well they work. Now as far as the rear goes, the rear has got this gorgeous full glass that has been glued and integrated in there, and as you can see, provided the handle, you've got an integrated brake light, the 2 locks on either side, and this red pinstriping in the glass, just that little bit of extra detail really finishes these canopies off extremely well. Looks super smart. Now not just that, but there's actually a one-way vision through on the inside, so you struggle to see in from here for those prying eyes, but it's perfect to see out as well. So from the rear view camera or rear view mirror entry, you can see right through the back of the vehicle. It's fantastic. Huge opening doors. as well on the rear hand side, as you can see there. And not just that, but these canopies actually come nice and square off the rear. Now, a lot of guys look at it and think, you know, why is it so square off at the back? But the reality is practicality, more packing space on the inside. Your door comes further back, so as far as mounting accessories up there, it's easier to get into your rooftop tents. It's easier to get onto ladder racks to load boards up there, or tinny loaders. So it's super usable space, great curves and lines that have been added in these folds, and super strong gusseted corners, giving you that extra strength in there as well. What's the use of having a canopy that's super strong if the mounting system isn't either? And that's one thing that Rhinoman do extremely well. We've got these brackets in the corners which fit to your standard factory tie-down points. Now, your standard tie-down points are literally the strongest part of any tub, so perfect spot to attach them to. They go down there, bolt straight through, and the canopy actually compresses down onto a full automotive grade seal running through the whole canopy as well, giving you that watertight and dust tight seal all the way around. Now let's have a look and talk about the load rating capabilities on these. Now, the biggest thing with the canopies, and has always been, is the load rating capabilities, and there's no difference with the Rhinoman Expedition or Extreme variants. They come standard with an 8mm channel extrusion bolted straight through the canopy, running the full length of the canopy. Now, that is load ready to take a 250 kilo dynamic load rate. That is massive. So you know you can really load the top of this, tinnies, little boats, you name it, tents, not a problem at all. Not just that, but in a static position, over 400 kilos, guys. So there's no drama at all for loading it up. Tents, awnings, solar panels, surfboards, a lot of extra product on the top there. Perfect suited for a touring and a practical canopy. Not just that, but use it in everyday life as well. Go down to the shops and load some timber on the roof as well. Guys, that's pretty much the entire product review on these canopies. This is the Expedition variants today. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, go to your vehicle specific option on our website at thebushcompany.com.au.